United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 65, Marine Mammals. Nothing in this part restricts the right of a coastal state, or the competence of an international organization, as appropriate, to prohibit, limit or regulate the exploitation of marine mammals more strictly than provided for in this part. States shall cooperate, with a view to the conservation of marine mammals, and in the case of cetaceans, shall in particular work, through the appropriate international organizations for their conservation, management and study.